Failed, mate. Failed. Good afternoon, guys. This morning when I wake up, when I'm taking my clothes, my uniform, I saw a redback spider. Yeah, very small redback spider. Yeah, and then I Google and it was one of the venomous spider here in Australia. Yeah, so when I check the house, I've seen that there are a lot of small spider. Look at this. So I'm going to vacuum it. Yeah. So these are very small spider. It's a lot here. Wow. I didn't notice this thing. Yeah. Yeah, I will show you where did I see the spider. It was actually here. So when I wake up this morning and I was about to take my uniform there and the spider was here. Yeah, hanging here. Yeah, I think it's sleeping. And then I took a tissue from the toilet and I grabbed it like this. And when I look at that, it's the one with the with the red something in the back. So that's why it's a redback spider. Yeah. And then I Google and I learned that is one of the most venomous spider here in Australia. I was a little bit scared, but when I sleep, maybe they are trying to but yeah, I told to the chefs in the kitchen and they told me that they are not really aggressive, so they will not just bite me without any reason. Yeah. So yeah, that's why. So I'm going to vacuum all this. So the redback spider is staying on the edge in the corner, yeah, of the ceiling, the floor, yeah. These birds, they are cutting all the branches of the trees, the leaves of the trees, and look at this. How much is this? Yeah, and they are the cockatoo. A lot of cockatoo here. Look at that. All these trees with this, yeah, they are all the same trees. Oh, my phone. Yeah, these are all the same trees, and I don't know, but why they just stay in these trees and they cutting this. And today there's no so much wave, so the water is very clear and I can actually see from here the fish. Okay, we get closer. Right, they are all fish. I'm sure you can see that now. Look at this beautiful lady. Nice. Today I didn't buy a coffee because when I want to have a coffee when I get home. This is a strawberry shake, $7. Expensive. This just I tried. I don't really like this. So yeah, I'm actually watching the Young Sheldon comedy. Nice. Inside, in there the spider is hiding, and I'm going to vacuum.
It's a big deal nowadays that so many things are getting smaller. Every day, that's on the weekend. Even.
Yeah. I catch it, it's inside now. Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, today I don't have work, but I have a schedule for chemical training. Yeah, that's just 1 hour from 10:45 until 11:45. I think it's okay. So it's like this week my schedule is yeah, this today just 10:45 to 11:45, 1 hour. So the rest of the day I will be free, and then my next day off will be on Monday. 2 separate days off. I decided to walk today because it's been long time that I'm not doing this, and I really enjoy walking, seeing small details of every places. It's amazing, mate. Yeah, today I am wearing this like a sweater t-shirt, but this one is coming from the garage sale, just 2 blocks away from the apartment where I stay. So I don't usually wear this because the owner might see this yeah, that's why. So I am usually wearing this occasionally. And the shoes that I am having now, I bought it from Dubai 2014. I really like it. It was really beautiful before when it was new, but now this is just like this. Still good. I like it, but sometimes I feel that this looks dirty, but comparing it to the other shoes, it's better. Yeah, it's hot. I am not supposed to wear this jacket, the sweater. It's hot. I'm feeling the sweat in my back. Nice. Yeah, the spider goes inside the leaves. Yeah. Yeah, like what I've said, I came to the workplace for the chemical training. And it was very quick, maybe just 20 minutes. Yeah. And all the guys with me attending with the trainings are all Australian. So they clearly understand English, but it's nice. I also understand. Yeah, there are some words like decanting. What is decant? Decanting. It's about the chemical to decant from the original container. So I'm thinking decanting is removing from the original container. Is it right? Yeah, maybe. I didn't check. Look at this, beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's the meaning of that decant. When I was working in the lunch and dinner service, I always stay here because usually I get out of the house from around 1 o'clock, and then I come here at around 1:30, and I stay here for a little bit, like I sit here, or maybe I sit there, or just hanging around here, and then I go to work. And these days that I am now working in the break bus, there's no chance for me to stay here, because when I get out of the house, I just traveled like 30 minutes or 15 to 30 minutes allowance, and then when I get to work, I started working. This house is now for sale. Yeah, let's have a look at the detail on the other side. So this is auction prestige waterfront home, 4 bedroom, 2 bath and 2 garage. Nice. It is very hot, mate. Yeah, I needed to walk like 15 minutes walk to get to next to the bus stop to go to Salamander Shopping Square. Yeah, I'm not supposed to be wearing this. The hotness is not the same hot like the weather in Dubai during summer. Here is just hot because of the sun. But in Dubai, the hot is the combination of the heat from the sun and the humidity. We are here now in the bus stop. There is nothing here. You cannot hide from the heat of the sun. We'll have a look what they have in this, like a river. Yeah, this is just stagnant water, dirty water actually. But from here I can see that the same, there are some small fish. Yeah, they are moving. You know, this is one of the reasons why I don't travel these days around the area. I mean, around the neighbor of Port Stephen, because it's very hot. In the coming winter, I will be traveling a lot. I will be exploring the neighboring city of Port Stephen, Newcastle. Yeah, mate, before anything else, we're going to eat first in McDonald's. So this is basically like my breakfast and lunch. I had just coffee this morning, so I'm now going to have a burger, a soft drinks, and the fries. They call it chips. Yeah. I didn't notice that my camera is recording while this is inside my bag, while inside the McDonald's. Yeah, battery. So I feel that this camera is getting heat. Hot, mate. This massage is 5 minutes for $2. Yeah, this is my second round. Yeah, $4. Yeah, it's okay. $4. Yeah, because I'm also thinking of, yeah, because I'm not decided. I have nothing to buy inside the Kmart. Look, it's actually facing to the Kmart, and actually I'm thinking of what I am going to buy. I have in mind that I am going to buy the, something to cut my hair, maybe a clipper or what. Yeah, and the result is nice, so I'm also going to try that, to cut my own hair. Yeah, at least I can design it by myself. I hope that it will work for me nicely. I am now in Kmart, and I'm going to take this. This is jogging pants, also good for winter, and this cup, just $4. This is old already, and I see this. Look at this. This is just $5. Yeah, I think this one is for kid, but I think it's fit to me also. $5 compared to the one that I bought last week, which is $59. It's okay. I was thinking of buying this one also, but this is just for kids. They don't have the one for me. Yeah, I just came from the shopping center, and I'm now heading to the other side. I am thinking of enrolling to the gym. Yeah, I'm not very much decided, but I really wanted, but I don't know. Yeah, this is something new. They called it a potato, I forgot the name. Yeah, potato gems. This one, and it's $4.50. This is similar to hash brown, but the size is like this. Yeah, and it tastes good, mate. Yeah, this is actually in the bowling center. I like to stay here because this is the third time, and I like to stay here because it's like a very quiet place. Usually no people. And in the restaurant they have different menu, like sandwich, burger, and chips like this, and of course coffee. Yeah, maybe it's around 5 or 6 o'clock already. Yeah, I spent long time in the coffee shop in the bowling center waiting for the bus that will go straight to my apartment, and I end up walking